Oh no! Wow, I just actually did damage the paint there. I just caused that to appear. Oh my god, dude. Worst park job I've ever done. Asked to leave. So this thing goes in there, I guess. Boop! And then that is supposed to screw in there. Oh, actually, that's gonna fit. I need to find that bolt, but then I don't know what is supposed to screw in here, but there is obviously nowhere for that to mount up to. So I'm hoping that with just this mount and this, hoping that'll be good enough. Like whatever, it's at the end of the world. Well, I've already got this thing beat up. It was brand spanking new. It's a shame. It's the $10 version of what I just bought. I think they're behind all this. Bruh. Oh. I don't even know if I can put that on YouTube. Oh my gosh. There it is, the Subaru box. There it is, the bolt bag. This thing and me, we go way back. That threads in, and this bolt's not going to be long enough, nor does it even fit. I could just take one off the winter beater. I'm just going to do that. I'm going to take one of the timing cover bolts off the beater and just use that. I think that's a smart idea. Alright, so here's all my timing cover bolts off of this engine, which is just gonna not have, I mean, it already doesn't have all the timing cover bolts, so it doesn't really have much to lose. So I used one of these, it was too short. I was gonna use one of these, but I think that's gonna be way too long. Money shot. And it's touching the belt. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Nice. With my new customized bolt. Ow, that sound was my toenail hitting metal. Nowhere near touching the belt. Let's go. It's at an angle because there's a washer in there, but that's all under tension, so I'm not screwing with that today. Looks nice enough. Nice little touch. You know, gotta make the engine pretty since I'm looking at it all the time every week when I fill the oil.